Okay, students, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to do volume. This is from lesson 2, volume of a triangular prism. Volume of a triangular prism. I'm going to go ahead and try to make my own little triangle here. I'll do the best I can here. There we go. That's going to do it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and label all of my information here. I have 9 feet. And I'm going to go ahead and make this my right angle, because the right angle again is 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to go ahead, and this is going to be 7 feet. And then right here, I'm going to make this 14 feet. So when you look at this, this is a volume of a triangular prism. Okay, when you look at this, you know the formula for volume of a rectangular prism is volume equals base times height. But you always remember that it is 1/2 base times height. So this is what it would look like. Volume equals, we're going to do B times H. Okay. Volume equals, so this is considered a base right here. And this is considered a base as well. So I can go ahead and take those two and multiply them. But I'm going to go ahead and do it how they would show it. They would go 1/2. Okay. Then they'd multiply 14 times 7. And then my height is on the outside, 9. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go volume equals. And 14 times 7 equals 98. Put my 9 over here. 98 divided by 2 is 49. So now we have it. 49 times 9. Equals 441. So my volume is 441. I'm working with feet cubed. And that is my answer. 441 feet cubed. Again, remember, you need, if you do these together, that's great, and you half it. Good job. We're going to go ahead and do one more, and it's going to be one with decimals. We'll do one with decimals. And I'm going to just try my best here to make my there we go. Okay, and I'm looking for my right angle, which is over here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just turn this up right here, because if I turned it sideways, this would be my right angle. 90-degree angle there. And I'm going to go ahead and make that 5.7, 9.5. Here's a base right here. I have 4.8 centimeters, and then I have 7.6 centimeters. Okay, so when I'm looking at this part, I definitely need to find my height, and this actually is another base. This is actually my height, because if I turn this paper around and it looked like this right here is my height. So my height is actually going to be this right here, the 7.6. This is considered a base, and this is considered a base right here. Okay, so let's turn this over. All right, so we have volume equals BH. Okay, and so let's go ahead and put volume equals, oops, what did we say our base was? It's going to be 5.7 times 5.7 times 4.8. And my height is 7.6. Okay, so let's go ahead and multiply these here, do our work. 5.7 times 4.8 equals 27.36. Divided by 2, multiplied by 7.6. Divided by 2 equals 13.68. $13.68 over 2. Oh no, that's right. We did that right. Times 7.6. Okay. Now we take that 1368, because I had already divided it up here, so I didn't need this. And we multiply that times 7.6. We get 103.968. Now, if they told us to round this to the nearest tenth, it would be to this. So again, 5 or below, round down, 5 or above, round up. So in this case, this right here becomes, this could become a 7, it doesn't matter. This right here becomes a 0. So it could be 1, 0, and then this becomes a 4. So there's your answer, 103.0 centimeters cubed. And there you have it. And if you're wondering how I got these two numbers here for my base, if you turn this over, because remember the right angle is a 90-degree angle. So now when you look at this, this right here is your height. This part right here is considered a base, this little part, which is on this side right here. This is 4.8, and then this part. That's how I knew that that was my base, and this was my base.